Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the download using cellular data on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side on the screen, go to the settings section, and here, the download section, you can find the second option, the download using cellular data. Automatically download your next lesson and review session using cellular data when Wi-Fi is not available. Depending on your data plan, you may incur additional charge. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and new. The circle become orange. This function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.